用 Where are you from? 用你从哪里来的啊？用哇，你这个头像很可爱。Alright, let's have a look at this one. Okay, now 3 from Mr. Yehan. This is dark glaze. Official's hat. And with blue patterns in it. This one is not that big. Is it big? It's not really very big. Let me measure it. We're gonna do this very quickly and show more cups to you all. Oh yeah, this one's big. You're right. 4.2 inches. Yeah, 4.2. Yeah, it's quite large. Oh, it's shallow. The blue waves with ice with crackles inside. Okay, number 47. Number 47. 47 and number numbers. Okay, this is official's hat. Yes, I'm right. This one is 114. Number 47. All the three are the same price. 114. This one is a timeout shape. Let's see outside. Also black glaze and the beautiful ocean, blue ocean. Oh. Looks like the flames in the cup. Okay, number 48. Same price.